Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Selling stuff online has never been more exciting. But first, you need a digital storefront, and that's where e-commerce platforms come in. They give you the tools to build your website, display products, manage sales, and more. Today, we're comparing two heavy hitters, Wix and Dukaan. Both make building a website easy, even if you've never written a line of code. Whether you're selling handmade jewelry, vintage clothes, or your own awesome inventions, we'll help you figure out which platform has the tools and features to make your business thrive. Ready to build your online empire? Let's go! Building a website doesn't have to be scary. Wix and Dukaan are all about making the process intuitive and user-friendly. Both platforms use drag-and-drop editors so you can easily add elements, move them around, and customize your site's look. Wix boasts a massive library of templates to get you started. You can change colors, fonts, images, and layouts to match your brand. Dukaan keeps things simple with a more streamlined approach. They offer fewer templates, but they're all designed specifically for e-commerce. Dukaan also offers a clean and intuitive dashboard, making it easy to manage your products, orders, and customers. Wix offers more flexibility and design options, while Dukaan prioritizes simplicity and ease of use for e-commerce beginners. Wix is a giant in the website building world. It's used by over 200 million users worldwide, from small businesses to large enterprises. This popularity speaks volumes about Wix's ease of use, powerful features, and reliable performance. With such a large user base, Wix has built a strong reputation for providing excellent customer support and a wealth of online resources. You'll find tons of forums, tutorials, and online courses dedicated to helping you get the most out of the platform. This vast support network can be incredibly valuable, especially if you're just starting out in the e-commerce world. Feature face-off, from storefronts to shopping carts. Both Wix and Dukaan come loaded with features to help you build a successful online store. Wix, drag-and-drop website builder. Easily create a professional-looking website with no coding experience required. Massive template library. Choose from hundreds of stunning templates designed for various industries and niches. App Market. Extend your website's functionality with a wide range of apps for marketing, analytics, social media, and more. Mobile responsive design. Ensure your website looks great on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. Dukaan. Simplified dashboard. Easily manage your products, orders, customers, and other aspects of your online store. E-commerce focused templates. Choose from a curated selection of templates designed specifically for online stores. Integrated payment gateways. Accept payments securely through popular gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and more. The price is right. Finding a plan that fits your budget. Both Wix and Dukaan offer various pricing plans to fit different budgets and business needs. Wix Free Plan. Get started for free with limited features and Wix ads on your website. Connect Domain Plan. Connect your custom domain and remove Wix ads for a starting price of $4.50 per month. Combo Plan. Enjoy more storage and bandwidth, ideal for small businesses starting at $8.50 per month. Dukaan Starter Plan. Launch your online store with basic features starting at $11.99 per month. Growth Plan. Unlock advanced features like custom domain, marketing tools, and more, starting at $24.99 per month. Remember to carefully consider your budget, the features you need, and the level of support you require when making your decision.